Good afternoon, dear students. I'm Mr. Muhammad Khalid, and you are learning Pakistan Studies. Dear students, it is week 11, lesson 11, and we are going to have a brief discussion on food and agriculture. Means our today's topic is food and agriculture in Pakistan. Dear students, in this discussion, we'll cover a variety of concepts. Number one, agriculture and Pakistan's food system, crop situation, major crops, minor crops, fruits, livestock and poultry, forestry, issues and challenges of agriculture in Pakistan. Dear students, in week 10, we were talking about the natural resources, and there we came to know that natural resources are one of the main element which play a very vital role in the progress and prosperity of a country, like oil and gas and all others. There is another resource which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed Pakistan is agricultural land. There we learned that Pakistan is quite fortunate country to have variety of land, plenty of water, human resource, and it produces variety of foods, crops, vegetables, fruits, and much more. Not just Pakistan fulfills the local demand, rather Pakistan exports these agri products to the world and sustains the economy. Dear students, we all understand that food is the basic human requirement. That to live a healthy life, we need the nutrients. To enjoy the flavor of life, we love to eat variety of vegetables, fruits, proteins like meat, fish, and much more. Right. Food is the source of energy and power for the people. And unfortunately, food crisis, the scarcity of the food, the availability of the food, provision of the food, production of the food is today world's more critical question. There are many parts in the world like Africa, like there are other Latin American countries, and especially the underworld, the underdeveloped countries of Asia, they are going rigorous food scarcity or food shortage. So, Pakistan is also one of the countries which unfortunately is the prey of food shortage, means where here people also are suffering from the shortage of the food or impurity of the food. Therefore, food security is one of the very important question, very important problem, which is the mother of problems. Because of the lack of food, many social and political issues start acting in the country, and they often unstable the running governments. Dear students, now let's have the importance of the food for economic perspective, that Pakistan grows food and sells out to the other countries. Fine. Let's see it. Agriculture is a key element in economic growth. How it is a key element in the economic growth? Look, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed Pakistan with agricultural land. Clear? Mean here we have the land variety enables Pakistan to produce variety of food. Like Pakistan produces cotton, Pakistan produces rice, Pakistan produces the sugarcane and many other minor crops. These crops not just help out the local people, but also the food industry, the beverage industry, that companies prepare byproducts from them and sell out to the other countries or within the country. This is how people find employment. The food is saved and processed and sent to the other, clear, and the national economy strengthened. Food security, quite in the beginning, we learned that food is the basic necessity for everyone, and Pakistan is luckily an agri-based country where when food is produced, people easily access food. Fresh and quality food is available in their homes. Fine. Employment generation, that agriculture sector is one of the major sector that provides employment to a good many people. Farmers, okay, laborers working in the farmhouses, in different gardens, fruit picking, grazing, and many others. Most of the villagers and the far-flung areas of Pakistan, people rely on this sole source of income. Fine. Agriculture sector contributes 19.2% to the total national income or gross development product like GDP, and almost 38.5% of the labor force is employed by the agriculture sector. Mean people work in farms, houses, they raise animals, fine, and some collect vegetables and medicinal herbs. So thus agriculture sector has more potential to employ the people, and about 65 to 70% of the population in Pakistan depends on the agriculture. But no doubt, agriculture is such a vast area that for 70 years it is feeding Pakistan. But unfortunately, the agriculture sector is now facing lots of challenge. And this is the main point, that how can we help this sector to grow and help the farmers so that they produce more food for the large number of population. You know that Pakistani population is now estimated over 24 crores. It is according to the estimates, it is going to be the fifth largest country on the planet with such a huge population. Clear? So the reason are faced by the agriculture sectors are now shrinking arable land. that the cultivating land, the land which can produce the crops, is now reducing over to certain human and non-human factors. Non-human factors include that because the water level is plummeting down, going down, okay, the water in the rivers and canals is going short, okay, therefore the agriable land is reducing into the barren. Number two, undesired housing schemes, they are swallowing the precious agriable land. Clear? This is how the agriable or the land for the agriculture is going short. Climate change, the weather conditions are changing. Sometimes it is heavy rains, sometimes there is no rain, sometimes uh, the rains are out of way, floods. There are so many natural disasters which are taking place, and the agriculture is affected. Water shortage, that the water is, whether it is flowing from the rivers or subsoil water, they are shallowing and reducing. And above all, the large scale population and their accommodation. Clear? This is one of the major issue. And in the end, laborers, the people once worked in the fields, now they have left the village and they are shifting towards the cities and finding employment in factories and offices. And that's the reason that the labor force is not available. But despite all these factors, we can say that agriculture is one of the main sector of Pakistan economy. And in case of any crisis, this sector can provide food. And luckily, Pakistan Pakistan owns very cultural land, and the people are hardworking. Therefore, government plus the landowners must think about it, how to enhance, how to thrive this profitable sector. Dear students, I hope you have completely understood the importance of agriculture from both perspective, from economic perspective and from the food security. Thank you very much.